On November 5th, 2017, I uploaded my first video on this channel. And at the time, it started as a fun little side project, but has now grown to be something so much better. I've been able to help out thousands of you around the world with starting your own online business. I've gotten to meet countless entrepreneurs and creators that I wouldn't have been able to meet otherwise. And I even built a full-time income with this channel. So in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how much money YouTube pays me each month with around 100,000 subscribers. And at the very end of this video, I'll share the simple strategy that I used to get over 90,000 subscribers in the last 6 months. These type of videos have always been motivating for me in my journey, so I hope I can do the same for you. If you're new here, my name is Jordan, and I'm currently documenting the entire process of building my online business with as much transparency as possible. So if you're interested in starting your own online business and you want to follow my journey, make sure to subscribe for new videos every single Friday. All right, so let's go back to the beginning. Growing up, I never used to watch TV or movies. I would only watch YouTube videos. I probably started watching videos around 2009. I used to watch people like Day Storm, Mystery Guitar Man, Ryan Higa, Ray William Johnson, the real OGs of YouTube. And to be honest, these are the people that inspired me the most when I was a kid. So when I finally got my hands on a camera at the age of 12, I started my first channel. I was uploading all kinds of random content for fun with me and my friends. We were doing comedy sketches, short films, basketball videos, skating videos, pretty much whatever idea I had, I went, filmed, and edited it. And then the worst thing ever happened. Somebody who will not be named leaked my channel to everybody at my middle school. And pretty much overnight, I became the laughingstock of my class. People started calling me by my YouTube name, making jokes about my videos and saying that it was never gonna work out. And back then, I couldn't really handle that very well, so I ended up just deleting my whole channel. Looking back, this was honestly such a poor decision because I had put 2 years of effort into that channel. So if you're young and people are judging you for creating content or pursuing your dreams, just stick with it. It really doesn't matter what people think.
You're absolutely that guy.
Aww. After I deleted that channel, I still had a passion for YouTube, so I wanted to figure out a way to make videos without showing my face. And that led me to creating gaming videos. I figured that no one would ever see my face and nobody would find out about the channel, and I could still make videos, so this was a great path. I was making Call of Duty and GTA videos all throughout high school. And this was actually how I made my first money with YouTube. I ended up growing my gaming channel to around 1,000 subscribers in 2 years, but then I just gave up on it. I didn't really want to make gaming videos for the rest of my life, and it was barely making any money, so I just moved on. I tried a few other businesses after that, and in 2017, I saw my first real success online with dropshipping. Because I was posting some of my numbers on Instagram and Facebook, I had a ton of my friends asking me what I was doing and how I was doing it. And I really wanted to help them out. So I started posting simple videos on my channel about how I was running my business, and that's how this channel began. So let's break down exactly how I grew this channel past 100,000 subscribers and reveal exactly how much YouTube is paying me each month. This is my YouTube dashboard, and I want to start by taking us all the way back to 2017. So if we look at my first year on YouTube, you can see that I was only able to get 840 subscribers in my first year, and I actually uploaded around 7 videos. I didn't make a single penny from my channel this year, and a lot of people would have given up in this time frame. I spent a lot of time on each one of those videos, and I didn't see traction on any of them. You can see my total views for the year of 2017 was 11,000. But I really found a passion for these videos, and I wanted to keep it going in 2018. So in 2018, I was seeing a ton of momentum with my e-commerce business, and I wanted to take this YouTube channel seriously. So I made a promise to myself that I would post at least one video every week throughout the entire year, and this is what happened. In 2018, I actually got 680,000 views on my channel, and I posted a ton of videos. Every time you see one of these, this is how many videos I posted in that week. So some weeks I would post 4 videos, some weeks I would post 2 videos. I was grinding super hard on this channel. In 2018, I went from under 1,000 subs to almost 20,000. And this was the year that I first started getting paid for my videos. So you can see that even though I was posting multiple videos a week for almost 6 months, I still was not getting paid from YouTube until July 2018. The reason for this is extremely embarrassing. I didn't monetize my channel. But as you can see, around June, I started making close to $20 a day from this channel. At the time, I had a full-time income with my online store, but this was a nice bonus to add to my monthly income. In the year of 2018, I uploaded close to 100 videos, and in total, I brought in around $6,000 in revenue. I was pretty excited about this, but I felt like with all the effort I put in, I wasn't getting enough back in return. So going into 2019 and 2020, I stopped posting as much on YouTube. So if we pull up 2019, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. I had went from posting almost 100 videos in a year to only posting around 10 videos in 2019. Ironically, I ended up making more money from posting less videos. But the only reason for this is that I had a video go pretty viral. It got a couple 100,000 views. And as you can see, that's where 90% of my revenue is coming from. I was also able to gain around 10,000 subscribers in 2019, which was pretty cool to me. But during this year, I was not taking YouTube very seriously. I was focused on building my software and my e-commerce business, so I just didn't upload that much. I think 2020 was the worst year that I ever had on this channel. During this year, I was dealing with all kinds of stuff and I was not taking YouTube seriously at all. At the start of 2020, I posted around 7 videos. I was super motivated. I wanted to make them great. And then once again, I just stopped posting. You can see that my channel was still maintaining around $10 to $20 a day from AdSense, but it was really inconsistent. Going into the summer of 2020, I made a massive change in my life. I actually moved out of Los Angeles and moved back to my hometown in Florida. This was such a big reset for me and allowed me to figure out exactly what I wanted to focus on for the next couple of years. In that time frame, I started my e-commerce brand that I'm currently running right now, and I saw pretty rapid growth with this brand in a short period of time. So I saw this business as an opportunity to go back on YouTube and make the best content that I've ever made in my life. So you can see at the end of 2020, I started to post a few videos about this brand, and going into 2021 is when everything changed for this channel. In total, for 2020, I made around $4,800 in revenue, which was much lower than the last 2 months. So let's check out 2021. So as you can see, for 2021, I've already generated close to $100,000 in ad revenue from this channel. You can also see that I pretty much haven't missed an upload all year long. I've been posting new videos every single Friday. And by the way, if you don't want to miss any of those videos, make sure to subscribe down below. But you can see at the start of 2021, I was making less than $10 a day from my channel. And once I made the decision to improve my content, post consistently, and really take this game seriously, everything started to change. Just after posting those first 2 videos, you can see it spiked up to over $50 a day in revenue. And once I started uploading every week, a snowball effect started to happen. Around February, I started consistently bringing in around $100 a day, and you can see it's just grown ever since then. I made the decision to stop focusing as much on the numbers and the revenue and just focus on creating the highest quality, most valuable content that I possibly can. And as you can see, the channel has just sort of skyrocketed in the last couple of months. And right now we are averaging close to $1,000 every single day from this channel. And as a matter of fact, just yesterday I had my highest day on YouTube with $1,300 in revenue. If we check out the audience growth, you can see that just this year I've grown close to 90,000 subscribers, which is so much further ahead of any of the other years. And in total, I've gotten around 2.3 million views in 2021. So for the lifetime of my channel, I've brought in a little bit over $100,000 in revenue, with 95% of that coming from this year alone. So maybe from seeing this, you're motivated to start your own channel on YouTube. So before I end this video, I want to share with you the 3 things that I did this year that allowed me to grow so much faster than all the other years. The first tip I have is to make videos about something you are passionate about. Entrepreneurship is what I truly love the most. I've been doing it since I was a little kid, and to be able to make videos that inspire and educate you guys around the world to do the same is honestly one of the best feelings ever. Maybe you like to go to the gym all the time. Maybe you're really good at Warzone. Whatever it is, make that your focus for your channel. Don't try to hop on the bandwagon of what everybody else is doing just so you can get a piece of it. Making these videos is not easy, and to have the patience to put a new video out every single week, you have to do it about something you care about. This second tip really helped my channel grow fast. Try to take 1 week to make the best quality video that you possibly can and upload it on the same day every week. The YouTube algorithm loves when you're consistently posting high quality content, especially if you're doing it on the same day over and over again. It also gets your subscribers ready for when you're going to post a new video. There's no surprises. They know exactly when you're gonna post, and when you do post, they're ready and excited to click on that video. And the last tip is to look at what's already viral in your niche and try to make a better version of that video. I'm gonna say that this is the biggest reason why this channel has grown this year. All that I've done is find what people are searching for, find what videos have already popped off, and add my own unique touch to those videos. You can do a better title, better thumbnail, better production value, better audio. There's many things that you can do to improve, and that's pretty much all that I focus on. Of course, I have my original ideas as well, but one of the best ways to get started is to look at what's already working and model your videos off of that with your own unique taste. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys found some value from this and it was able to give you some inspiration for starting or continuing your own channel. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for new videos every Friday. And if you are a creator, let me know down below in the comments because I would love to check out some of your videos and give you some feedback on them. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend and I will talk to you very soon.